optometrist dreaming of a life in Australia? Wondering how to get permanent residency while doing what you love? In this video, I'll break down the exact PR process for optometrist from qualifications to assessments to visa options in simple and practical steps. So stay tuned till the end, especially for bonus tips that could speed up your journey. But before moving, hit the bell icon so that you can get all the latest healthcare opportunities abroad with amazing tips and strategies on how to get them. Alright, let's start with the basics. Now, to apply for a PR as an optometrist in Australia, your occupation must be on the skilled occupation list, and yes, optometrists is on it. Step 1 is getting your skills assessed. The assessing authority for optometrists is OCANZ, the Optometry Council of Australia and New Zealand. And if you are trained overseas, you'll need to pass the OCANZ Competency in Optometry Examination. That's your ticket to prove your professional competence in Australia. You'll also need to meet the English language requirements. That typically means taking the IELTS, OET or PTE. And for most visa pathways, a competent level of English is needed. Now, once you have cleared your skills assessment and English test, it's time to explore visa options. The 5 main ones are: number 1, the Skilled Independent Visa, Subclass 189. This visa allows you to live, work and study in Australia permanently without needing state or employer sponsorship. Number 2, Skilled Nominated Visa, Subclass 190, a permanent visa requiring state or territory nomination. You'll need to meet their requirements, but it gives you a clear path to PR. Number 3, Skilled Work Regional Provisional Visa, Subclass 491, a 5-year provisional visa for regional Australia with a pathway to permanent residency through Subclass 191. It's an excellent option if you are willing to live and work in regional areas. Number 4, Employer Nomination Scheme, Subclass 186. If you have an Australian employer willing to sponsor you, this permanent visa allows you to live, work and study in Australia indefinitely. Number 5, Skilled Sponsored Regional Provisional Visa, Subclass 494, a provisional visa that requires employer sponsorship in a regional area with a path to PR through the Subclass 191 visa after 3 years. So there you go. Those are the main visa options to get PR as an optometrist in Australia. Now here's a quick bonus tip to speed up your journey. Academically can help you guide you through every step of the process. Whether it's helping you pass the OCANZ exam, finding a job opportunity in Australia or getting the best visa advice, we have got you covered. Fill out the form in the description for free personalized guidance tailored specifically to your needs. Let us help you make your dream of living and working in Australia a reality faster and with less stress. Also, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop any questions in the comments below. That's it. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your journey to Australia. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.